Hello everyone and welcome to our video series on Learn German for Beginners. In the previous lessons you learned numbers till 100. In this lesson you will learn the German alphabets. You can visit our page on patreon.com to get free worksheets, podcasts, transcripts, early access to our videos and more. So let's begin. Lektion 5. Once again, Lektion 5. Das Alphabet. Once again, das Alphabet. The German alphabets are not at all different from the English ones. They are only pronounced differently. Das Alphabet is a collective word for all the alphabets from A to Z. The German alphabet also contains 4 more characters. We will be learning them soon. So, are you ready? Please remember that you have to repeat after me. So, let's begin. With each letter, we will be learning a word. This word will be in German, and this word will show us how this letter is pronounced. The first one is already here. A. Apfel. A. Apfel. B. Banane. B. Banane. C. Couch. C. Couch. D. Deutschland. D. Deutschland. That's the name of Germany in German. E. Elefant. E. Elefant. F. Fish. F. Fish. You pronounce fish the same way as you would pronounce in English. G. Gitarre. G. Gitarre. H. Haus. H. House. Here also the pronunciation is the same as it would be in English. E. Igel. E. Igel. J. Joghurt. J. Joghurt. Please notice that the sound of J is that of Y. K. Kaffee. K. Kaffee. L. Liebe. L. Liebe. M. Mann. M. Mann. N. Nagel. N. Nagel. O. Orange. O. Orange. When the letter G is at the beginning of a word, then its pronunciation is different, whereas when it's in the middle of a word or at the end, the sound changes. P. Pinguine. P. Pinguine. Q. quiz. Quiz. Just like in English. Wrote. Wrote. Sonne. Sonne. The pronunciation of S is like the English Z. Tee. 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 Tee is a little softer than it is in English. Uhr. Uhr. Vogel. Vogel. V has a sound of F. Wolke. Wolke. X. Xylophon. Xylophon. Y. Yak. Yak. Z. Zebra. Zebra. As mentioned in one of the videos before, the sound of Z is the sound of TS that you have in puts, its, etc. Now we come to the 4 more letters in the German alphabet. Bear. Bear. The 2 dots on top of A are known as umlaut. The sound changes from A to A, like in Mac or in back. Here the sound is bear. Öl. Öl. And the next one is Ü. 5. Ü. 5. The umlaut is used only on these 3 letters. The last one looks like a beta sign. That is SZ. Fuß. It is the same when you would bring 2 S together. Together now, these are the 30 letters of the German alphabet. Let's quickly revise the pronunciations once again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, Ä, Ö, Ü, SZ. And here are a few things to remember. The German alphabet has 30 characters, 26 characters from the English, plus Ä, Ö, Ü, and SZ. J has the sound of Y, V has the sound of F, W has the sound of V. No letter begins with SZ. Great! To practice what you have learned today, you can download a free worksheet from our page on patreon.com. You can also gain access to our transcripts by becoming a $1 patron and to our podcasts by becoming a $5 patron. Danke! Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you still haven't. You can click on the bell to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comments section below. Tschüss, auf Wiedersehen!